Speed forward, bro. You cut him off. Oh my God, Fatty. Roll. Go, dude. Go. Should have honked at him. Alright, bro. Make a left here. Go. Make a left at this light. Honk at this guy, bro.
Okay.
Go ahead, honk at him.
Okay. 1, 2, we count to 3.
Go, honk at him. Go. 1, 2, 3. Who's this guy honking at? Honk at him again. Okay, we
have to count to 3 more.
Go, honk at him again.
1, 2, 3.
Go. Bruh, what'd you do? Fatty, make sure you go when it turns green, bruh.